In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from an image in PowerPoint. Hey there everyone, welcome to Teknisha, where you can find tips and tutorials on productivity tools. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the bell icon to stay updated. There are many instances where you may want to remove background from an image. There are multiple software and apps available for it. But today I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to do the same. So let's dive right in. Here is a blank presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me first change the layout to blank. And now we want to insert the picture here. So let's go to the top menu, hit insert, go to picture, picture from file, and select our image. So let me move it on the side and make a copy of it. I'm just going to copy and paste. And I'm going to work on the right side image just to show the difference. So let's select the image where we want to remove the background. And as soon as we select the picture, we'll get a picture format option available in the top menu. So when you don't have it selected, there is no picture format option. And when you select an image, you get the picture format option. So in the picture format menu, go to the leftmost side and there is an option called remove background. Microsoft PowerPoint is trying to decide which part of the image you want to keep. It's a hit and miss, so you need to go and apply it more carefully. The magenta portion is what Microsoft PowerPoint thinks you want to remove. And you want to add and remove some sections to this. So on the left side, let's first go and add the areas. So we can select this option, mark areas to keep. And now let's just draw a line around the arms. And you see, automatically Microsoft PowerPoint has figured out most of the image. And let me just move it a bit here. I think the shirt is okay. And now you see on the cap, there is some portion which is assumed to be taken as background. So we may want to change that. Let me zoom in a bit and let's just click a line there. I think that the most of the image is selected perfectly. So all you need to do is click keep changes. There, we successfully removed the background from this image. And now we are free to use just the person into any type of solid background or any other slide. This is really a quick and simple way to remove background from images, especially in a software which is available with everyone. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Till next time, ciao.